Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an Instagram post with music. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram application. Here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Click on it. So select the photo or post that you want to do and tap on next on this right. As you can see here, there's the option of music given here. You can even browse the music that you want. Select the music that you want to keep in your post. Here you can set the timer or the part of music that you want to keep in your post. Just simply slide it according to what you want. And here, tap on this tick button. Now select next and tap on share. So it has been posted with the music also. So this is the quick and easy way to post an Instagram post with the music. Thank you for watching.